I am Sara Dominquez. I am a YouTuber and I'm also a coach. I have been coaching teams for a long time. And a while back, I decided to become my own boss, leave the corporate world behind, and start coaching women to leave their chaos behind and find calm at home and find order and a little bit of peace. So I started my YouTube channel 2 years ago and I wanted to make a business out of this, but I just didn't know how. I tried different ways. I tried individual coaching sessions, which were not very successful because I couldn't attract the right people. I did a few. It wasn't too bad, but it wasn't enough. Then I tried to go into Etsy and digital products, selling templates and all kinds of organization stuff, but it didn't work either. It did bring a little bit of money, but it wasn't bringing enough. AdSense, my channel is in Spanish, and AdSense is just not giving us as well enough to sustain my family. So I thought I need to do something that actually I can scale. I can bring many more customers through the door. And I have been following Sunny for a long time for YouTube. So yeah, I thought that was the right step to take. So the Authority Accelerator program gave me direction and it gave me clarity. It helped me to find my client, my ideal customer. I had been toying for a while with my avatar, but I never actually did the exercise of deep down finding out who that person was. And once I joined the program, I realized that it was working moms that are stressed, that had a lot of stuff at home, that can't implement routines in their cleaning and can't manage their time. So once I had that clear, finding the right people was incredibly easy because there's so many people connecting with that message. Another thing that it gave me is I come from a sales background and I know how difficult it is to sell something when you don't have clarity and when you don't really believe in what you're selling. And with the program, because I know I'm serving these customers and I'm finding exactly what they need and providing them with the right service, it's not sales, we are helping each other and it's a win-win for both. That feeling of sales is out of the window as well. So it's great. I think the most tangible results that I got with the program is actually finding good clients. I have 14 people enrolled at the moment. In the 30 days of the cash flow plan, I made the same money that I had with my corporate job in the same month. I plan to increase the price as I go along, but just the idea that in 30 days I got more clients than in a whole year previous to that, it's just amazing. If I knew someone that wanted to join the program, the Authority Accelerator program, I will tell them to first be clear that this is not free. It's not a course that you can just do and that's it. You need to take action and you need to take steps to succeed. It's not just going to happen. I think the first phase is not hard, but it can take time. You have to be patient and you have to be resilient and you have to have that mentality of success doesn't just come along. You have to work for it. But if you're ready to do that and you have the right winning mentality, you'll go through the process, you'll follow it step by step, and that will bring the results, no doubt. I mean, the system works. You just have to work for it.